Good morning everyone. See, today we will start exercise 11A. So your first question is, state which of the following are triangle. You know that already that the sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, interior angles sum is 180 degree. Now see, your first question is, angle A is given here 60 degree, angle B is given here 60 degree, and angle C is given here 60 degree. So okay, now see, sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Your sum must be 180 degree, though angles are given here. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C, three angles are there in a triangle. So sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree. So its sum is 80 degree or not? 180 degree. 60 plus 60 degree plus 60 degree. Okay, its sum is equal to 180 degree is equal to 180 degree. So this is a triangle. Okay, now see question number second. B. Angle P is equal to 80 degree, angle Q is equal to 70 degree, and angle R is equal to 70 degree. Now see, if the sum of these three angles is 180 degree, then it will be a triangle. So angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Now see, 80 plus 70 plus 70 is equal to 180 degree. Now see, 8 this 7 plus 7 14, 140 plus 8, this is 220 is equal to 180. So this is not equal to 180 degree. So this is not. Now see, C, D, E and F that you can solve. Now see question number second. See, in figure given here, the three sides of the triangle ABC are produced in order to generate three exterior angles. Complete the following statement. Now see, one triangle is made here. D, this is C. Okay, now see, this is produced to B, F, B. This is your angle A, this is E. Okay, now see, this one here, one angle ACD. This is the exterior angle ACD. This exterior angle is produced from which of the interior angle? That is ABC or ACB. So you have to add this angle ABC plus angle ACB. You have to write the interior angle, because exterior angle they have given, and that by what this exterior angle has been made? By this two, by the addition of these two interior angles. So this is your question number A. Now see B. Angle EAB is given. Angle EAB. Now where is EAB given? EAB. Okay, this angle is given here. This one angle. Angle EAB is produced by which of the angle? That is angle BAC plus angle CAB. Okay, angle BAC or angle ABC you can write here. Angle ABC and angle CAB or ACB. Okay, now see question number 3 that you can solve. Now we will see question number 3. See question number 3. calculate the magnitude of the angles as required. Now see question number first. One triangle is given to you here. It is A, B, C. Now see, they are asking the sum of these three angles, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to what? So write here sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now see question number B. See, one triangle is given to you here. This is the triangle A, B, C. Okay, now see, this is 60 degree, this is 70 degree, and this is you have to find. The sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now see, angle A is not given, so write it as it is. Angle B is given 60 degree and angle C is given, that is 70 degree, equal to 180 degree. Now see, add this, angle A plus 130 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now you have to find angle A is equal to 180. This you will take to the opposite side, then it will become your subtraction. So angle A is equal to 50 degree, and this is your answer. Okay, now see question number C. See, this is your A, B, C, D. Okay, now see, this is given to you, angle A is 70 degree already given, this you have to find, and this is also given to you 140 degree. Now see, here angle A is given to you 70 degree and angle C is given to you, exterior angle is given of angle C, not the interior angle. So angle C is given to you 140 degree. Now this angle is made on the straight line. So for finding angle C, you have to take this angle C plus 140 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now angle C is equal to 180 minus 140. So angle C is equal to 40 degree. So what is the value of angle C you got here? So angle C is equal to 40 degree. Angle A is given to you already 70 degree. See, because this angle is made on a straight line, so you have to subtract it from 180 degree, because the angle made on straight line is equal to 180 degree. ये हमने पहले वाले चैप्टर में पढ़ा था कि किसी भी स्ट्रेट लाइन पे, लीनियर पेयर पे कोई भी एंगल बना होता है तो वो 180 डिग्री का होता है. अब ये स्ट्रेट लाइन पे एक एंगल बना हुआ है तो उसको हमें इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा एंगल सी लाने के लिए. तो एंगल ए हमारे पास आ गया, एंगल सी हमारे पास आ गया. नाउ सी, एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. नाउ सी, एंगल ए क्या दे रखा है 70 डिग्री. एंगल बी यू हैव टू फाइंड, एंगल सी इज 40 डिग्री, दिस इज 180 डिग्री. तो एंगल बी प्लस 110 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. सो एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू 110 माइनस 180 minus 110 degree. So angle B is equal to 70 degree and this is your answer. Okay, so angle A हमारे पास क्या आ गया 70 डिग्री, एंगल B हमारे पास क्या आ गया 70 डिग्री एंड एंगल C हमारे पास आ गया 40 डिग्री. ओके, सो दिस इज योर आंसर. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर D. A, B, C. This is your 120 degree and this is your 130 degree. Okay, these two angles are given here and you have to find here angle A. Angle A you have to find. Now see, first of all you have to find angle B, because angle B is not given, only exterior angle is given. So angle B plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree because this angle is given on straight line. So angle B is equal to 180 minus 120. So angle B you got here 60 degree. Okay, now angle C you have to find. So angle C plus 130 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 130, that is 50 degree. So angle C is equal to 50 degree. Now see, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus 60 plus 50 is equal to 180. Now angle A is equal to 180 minus 110. So angle A is equal to 70 degree. Okay, so the value of angle A is 70 degree, angle B is 60 degree. Okay, and angle C is 50 degree. Now see, question number D. This is 60 degree given, this is x given, this is 70 degree given, and C, B and A, and this is your point D. Now what you have to find here, it is the value of angle x. What is the value of angle x given here? So what is the value of angle x? So BC parallel to AD is given, and you have to find the value of x. Okay, now see, angle B is already given to you, that is 60 degree. Angle B is equal to 60 degree, and angle C you have to find. Then how you will find? Now see, angle C is equal to 70 degree. How? Because angle A is equal to 70 degree and alternate angles are always equal. So right here alternate angle is given here. See, इसके alternate में कौन सा, अगर ये angle यहाँ बना है तो इसके alternate में कौन सा angle बनेगा? Opposite में. Alternate angle means उसके ऑपोजिट में कौन सा एंगल दे रखा है. अगर यहाँ 70 है तो यहाँ पे भी हमारा कौन सा एंगल बन जाएगा? 70 डिग्री. सो ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स आर ऑलवेज इक्वल. So angle C is also equal to 70 degree. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C, and what is angle A? That is x is equal to 180 degree. Now angle A means x plus angle B 60 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 130. So x is equal to 50 degree. So value of angle A is 50 degree. So you can write here x is equal to 50 degree or angle A is equal to 50 degree. Okay. Now see next question. See, question number F is your homework. Okay. F, G you can do by yourself. H I will solve now. F and G is your homework. See, H. C, B, A. This is 32 degree. This is 32 degree. This is D. Now see, what you have to find? Angle ACD. Okay, ACD means, now see, for finding this, angle ACD means you have to find this angle. You have to find. Now see, angle A is given. No, angle B is equal to 32 degree given. Now अब हमें 30 B एंगल B से तो कुछ काम ही नहीं है, बिकॉज एंगल B तो हमसे उन्होंने पूछा ही नहीं. उसने पूछा है एंगल ACD क्या दे रखा है, तो एंगल C is equal to 32 degree. Okay, this angle is made on linear pair or straight line. So angle made on straight line is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle C 180 minus 32 इज इक्वल टू एक्सटीरियर एंगल हमको मिल जाएगा. तो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो इसमें से 48 डिग्री. देयरफॉर एंगल ए सी डी इज इक्वल टू 148 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एंगल बी यू हैव टू फाइंड इन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. See A, B, C. This is 90 degree angle. This is 65. Now see, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So 90 plus angle B plus 60. This is 65. Okay. 65 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now add this 5. 155 angle B plus 155 is equal to 180 degree. So angle B is equal to 180 minus 155. So angle B is equal to 25 degree, and this is your answer. Now see next question, question number 4. See question number 4. See, if the angles of a triangle ABC are in the ratio 2:3:4, find the measure of the angles A, B and C. So in a triangle, angle A is equal to 2. See, if the question is given to you in ratio, it means x will come here. श्योरली एक्स विल कम यार. किसी भी एक्सरसाइज में, किसी भी चैप्टर में कोई भी क्वेश्चन अगर रेशियो में दे रखा है, इट मीन्स यू हैव टू पुट योर एक्स. एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू 2x, एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू 3x, एंगल सी इज इक्वल टू 4x. ओके, यही दे रखा है क्वेश्चन में. नाउ सी सम ऑफ दिस 3 एंगल इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. सो एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. नाउ सी 2x प्लस 3x प्लस 4x is equal to 180 degree. Now see, add it. 9x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 divided by 9. 9 2s are 18, 0. X is equal to 20 degree. Now see, what is the value of angle A you will get here. Angle A is equal to 2x means 2 multiplied by, what is the value of x you got here, 20. This is 40 degree. Angle B is equal to 3 multiplied by 20, 60 degree. Angle C is equal to 4 multiplied by 20, that is 80 degree. So angle A is 40, angle B is 60 and angle C is 80 degree. Okay. Now see next question. See, in a right angle triangle, one of the complementary angle is double the other. What are these angles? Right angle triangle means the angle is of 90 degree. Complementary angle means it is also of 90 degree. So one of the complementary angle is double the other. So see, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. सी राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल दे रखा है. तो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल मीन्स दिस इज 90 डिग्री. ओके, एंड दिस एंगल x and one angle is double of the other angle. So sum of these 3 angle is, sum of these 3 angle is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 2x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. So 3x is equal to 180 minus 90. So 3x is equal to 90 degree. Now x is equal to 90 by 3. सो x इज इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री. ओके, सो एक एंगल हमारे पास क्या आ गया x, एंड एक और एंगल हमारे पास क्या दे रखा है, अदर एंगल इज इक्वल टू डबल ऑफ द फर्स्ट वन. सो अदर एंगल इज इक्वल टू 2x. सो 2 इंटू 30 दैट इज 60 डिग्री. ओके, तो एक एंगल हमारे पास 30 डिग्री आया, तो अगला एंगल हमारे पास क्या होगा, 60 डिग्री, डबल ऑफ इट. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. See, in a triangle the measure of the angles are x, x plus 20 and 2x. What is the value of x? So angle A is equal to x, angle B is equal to x plus 20, angle C is equal to 2x. So sum of these angles are angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 20 plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. Now see, x plus x that is 2x, 2x plus 2x that is 4x plus 20 is equal to 180 degree. So 4x is equal to 160 degree. So x is equal to 160 divided by 4. तो x is equal to 40 डिग्री. नाउ सी, x की वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या आ गई, 40 डिग्री. अब यहाँ पे x प्लस 20 दे रखा है, एक एंगल x प्लस 20, तो x प्लस 20 मीन्स 40 प्लस 20, तो एंगल B इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. एंड एंगल A इज इक्वल टू क्या आ गया हमारे पास, एंगल A इज इक्वल टू 40 डिग्री, एंगल B 60 डिग्री, तो एंगल C इज इक्वल टू 2x मीन्स 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 40 दैट इज 80 डिग्री. ओके, सो एंगल ए क्या आ गया 40 डिग्री, एंगल बी क्या आ गया 60 डिग्री, एंगल सी क्या आ गया 80 डिग्री. ओके, सो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस एक्सरसाइज. अब सी, इन दिस क्वेश्चन हमें वैल्यू सिर्फ एक्स की पूछी है, लेकिन मैंने इसको यहाँ तक सॉल्व कर दिया. क्यों? क्योंकि इन एग्जाम अगर आपको ये वाला क्वेश्चन पूछ लेते हैं कि आपको एंगल ए बी सी तीनों की वैल्यूज बतानी है, तो आपको इतना सॉल्व करना है. इफ दे आर आस्किंग द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स, इट मीन्स यू हैव टू सॉल्व अप टू there. Okay, this is not necessary, but if I am asking, if question मैंने पूछ लिया आपको कि एंगल ए बी सी तीनों की आपको वैल्यू डिराइव करनी है, तो you have to find up to there. But if the question comes that you have to find the value of x, then up to here you have to find. Okay, so we have completed this exercise. So we will start exercise 11B in next lecture. Okay, thank you.